We've been into B&Q and we've asked what we should treat the work surfaces with, and this is what they advised us to get. So we've done a little practice on a bit of the scrap wood, and this is what we're going to be using next. Reading the instructions, we've got to give 3 coats, so next job's coming along. Okay.
So just going to oil the worktops, but various information. B&Q said, oh, they don't need doing. I think they do, just to stop watermarks and fat marks and whatever. So we've got the worktop oil, so we just put in a first coat on. It brings up the grain quite nicely. It's not staining, it's just an oil based product with antibacterial action as well. So while we've got them out, we've taken the worktops out, we're going to do back, sides and front with each panel, but it does bring up the grain quite nicely. It says on the instructions it'll need a couple of coats. We'll just wipe it dry, polish it up in between coats, and then obviously they'll need redoing every now and again just to keep it waterproof. So this is an untreated side. It's quite well, it's been bleached in the sun, I'm not sure, but then that's the treated side, and that's just one coat, so it is really bringing up the grain, which is what we wanted. We didn't want to stain and to mask the grain, we just wanted to bring the natural wood out, and I think this stuff is going to be exactly what we wanted.
Yeah.
We've taken the worktops out to do this because at the end of the day they're going to have to be sealed in. So when we put them back, I'll get some we'll get some sealer and sort of do that as we're doing it, so it's well and truly sealed. The joins are sealed and everything, so it just make it all nice and watertight, prevent any water getting into the edges or whatever.
Of course, with any job that we do, we've got the supervisors. Just making sure everything's done properly for their van, because they do think it's their van. One each side of Keith. Just checking up on him.
Putting back the all the worktop. Now it's been oiled. It's come up quite nicely. Sealed, well, it's not sealed, but it's oiled to hopefully make it waterproof, and we've used an antibacterial worktop oil to bring the grain out and to try and protect it.
Shows the difference between the two. That side is the one that hasn't been done yet. Can't.
So that's the one that hasn't been done over the fridge, and that's the one with the oiled. It's not been, there's no stain in it, it's just brought out the natural beach colour, so we're hoping that's going to be fine. Going to need some sealant to obviously seal the the joins. So that's the next job, and then screw it all back in and see where we get to with that. Then the next job after that, oiling up that side.
So take one old pair of boxer shorts and some wax. This is what's been recommended to us, Fiddis wax, and we've gone for English oak, so not too dark, not too light. And we're going to start giving this wood here a bit of colour. So the partitions, let's see how we go. It's quite a solid wax, I'd expect. So according to the instructions, you just need a little bit. So I'm just going to do a little test patch now, just to see what it's like. Tiny little bit. That colour and a pair of old boxer shorts doesn't look very inviting, does it? Anyway, let's say I'm just going to do a little test patch just on the corner there, just to see what it's like. Not too bad. Yeah, it's bringing the grain up as well, as we thought it would. So that's not bad. Pretty nice colour. I'll do some more and then bring you back and let you see what you think. So I've done more of a test area there, just to see how it brings the grain up. It doesn't look too bad at all. Now it says to leave it for 10 minutes and then rub it in some more, so that's what I'm going to do next before I go any further. And 10 minutes later, I've rubbed it down a little bit more, letting it dry and giving it a rub, and it's bringing the grain out. As you can see, the knot's looking pretty good there. This is only a small area, so it's not really showing it all to its best yet, but continue doing more. So there's where we've done already, or I've done already. That's a bit to do. Of course, don't really need to do the internal, but we probably will, because that's going to be hidden by the cupboard door. But we've got all this to do, and then we've got that to do. Of course, this is what you've already seen being done. The work surface has been treated. That side's still to do. And then we've also got the boards here to darten off as well. So we'll come back in a bit and we've done some more and show you a little bit more when it's halfway done and then when it's completed. So it's the day after and done some more, both sides. Not done the bottoms because I need to mask off before I do that, or the very edges at the top. I just need to mask off some little bits there. But the next bit to do, I've done down there as well, the start of it anyway. So again, need to mask off around the fridge, whatever. The next bit to do is the big panel there. That top panel we're going to take off. It'd be easy to take off rather than trying to be careful around the lights and the vents. So I'm just going to do this panel down there now. So again, got my trusty pants. I'll start at the top. know whether you can see there how clearly it's going on. It's not bad at all. It's showing up the grade nicely in the knots. And that's that done, that part anyway. So we've still got the top to do. We'll take that out first. As a by the by, it's a nice sunny day today, and got a nice charge going into the battery.